Hey guys, so if we were in math right now, we would be doing geometry, which means shapes, either flat shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles, circles, or three-dimensional shapes. So I thought we'd take a little tour around the house and see what we could find. Sound good? Do you know what these are? What shape is that mirror? What shape is the clock? Bet you know what that one is. You should read that to your mom. I'll make her cry. Ooh, what's that big thing? I see lots of the same shape there. It's a fan. I know you're wondering, but what kind of shape is it? Do you know the three-dimensional shape of this? All right, sometimes shapes are called space figures. They're the ones that have more than one side. So what will we call this tissue box? Because it's got a lot of different sides. Did you know that we call this part, the flat part, a face? These are the edges, and those are the corners, and there's a fancy word called vertices. Ooh, who knew there was so much to know about a tissue box? Here's another space figure. It's also got two faces. It has a face on the top because that's where it's flat, and then on the bottom too, it's going to be flat. So it has two faces. This doesn't count as a face because it's curved. Faces have to be flat. Flat rhymes with cat, and here's Betsy. She's not a shape. So I'm in Lena's room. Do you know what shape that is? You probably do. But this one has more than one side, so it's a space figure. Do you know what this thing is called? Not necessarily the bottom part here, but just from here up. This would be a triangular prism. Ooh. Check out this tissue box. Now it's different than the other tissue box. This one has square faces. See them? It has square faces all the way around. So do you know what this thing's called? All right, I found another box. There's the sides, the top. They're not quite the same. Looking at this, I'm wondering how many faces does this box have? How many edges? How many vertices? Do you know? So those are my last two shapes. What do you have at your house? Care to show me? Bye.